Hi guys, good morning. I am Lovie G and for today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano magsaing. Yes, tama ang naririnig nyo, magsaing ng kanin. Not all of us know how to cook rice well. So, this video is for all the people that likes to cook rice in a right way. So, ngayon, itong video ko, magluluto tayo sa rice cooker. Hindi lahat ng porket may rice cooker ka, magiging maayos ang pagsaing mo. Nagkakamali kayo doon. Kasi kapag nagsasaing tayo, dapat alamin natin yung variety of rice na iluluto natin. So for today's video, ang variety of rice that we are gonna cook right now is jasmine rice. We all know that jasmine rice is a soft rice. Kaya naman, i-keep on mind natin na kailangan kapag malambot yung rice na binili natin or we bought a soft rice, we should keep in mind that we need to cook it well so it will not become like a porridge. So right now, I still have some leftover rice and it's still good. So para hindi siya masayang, gagawa tayo ng something para ma-save pa natin yung kanin lamig or yung leftover rice. Ayan. Nilalagay ko dito ngayon yung rice. Bali yung video ko dire-diretso lang. Hindi ko na to i-edit. Ayan. Dahil mabilis lang naman to. Ayan. Lilinisin natin to. First, we will wash the cookware. So, it will be cleaned. Ayan. Ayan po, hugasan natin yung lutuan natin. Ayan po, nakikita nyo po. Ayan po, hinuhugasan ko siya para malinis bago tayo magsaing. Katulad nga ng sinabi ko, there are lots of varieties of rice. So, if you have the type of rice that is hard, the more water you should put on it. So, you will cook it very well. But if it is a soft rice, like jasmine rice, the water should be exact. The exact amount of how many cups of rice you cook, that's the water also. So, I will be cooking in a rice cooker. The next step, after washing the cookware, we will put the rice in a measuring cup. Yes. Because all Filipinos, in every meal of all Filipinos, we always have rice. So, rice is a basic need and a necessity for most of Filipinos. So, I am living with my mother, so I will just cook 2 cups of rice. 1, 2. Usually, this is a jasmine rice. Kailangan hugasan natin mabuti kasi hindi naman natin alam, di ba? Marami rin yung mga chemicals na nilalagay sila para ma-preserve yung rice. So, kailangan hugasan natin mabuti yung bigas. Usually, I wash the rice 3 times. Ayan. Kikita nyo naman. Ayan. Hugasan natin mabuti yung rice. 3 times, or if you're not yet satisfied, you can wash it even 4 times. But for me, I prefer washing it for 3 times. Cooking rice is so easy when you're using rice cooker. But if you are cooking rice manually,